Hello everyone. Title Will Bitcoin Grow in 2023? Introduction. Bitcoin as a pioneering cryptocurrency has captured the attention of investors, traders, and enthusiasts around the world since its inception in 2009. Bitcoin has experienced significant growth punctuated by volatile price fluctuations as we enter the year 2023. Many are curious about whether Bitcoin will continue its upward trajectory or face challenges that could impede its growth. This article aims to explore the factors that might influence Bitcoin's performance in 2023. Institutional adoption, one of the key drivers behind Bitcoin's surge in recent years, has been the increasing institutional adoption. Established financial institutions and corporations have shown interest in integrating cryptocurrencies into their operations. This trend is likely to continue in 2023 as more institutions recognize the potential benefits of Bitcoin. As adoption grows, it could provide a strong foundation for Bitcoin's upward momentum. Regulatory environment, the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is still evolving. Governments around the world are working to establish frameworks to govern digital currencies, including Bitcoin. The regulatory decisions made in 2023 could significantly impact Bitcoin's growth. Favorable regulations that provide clarity and foster innovation could create a positive environment for Bitcoin. Conversely, stringent or unfavorable regulations may introduce uncertainties and hinder its growth potential. Market volatility. Bitcoin has always been prone to significant price volatility. In 2023, this volatility is likely to persist. While high volatility presents risks, it also creates opportunities for traders and investors. The key lies in understanding the market dynamics and being prepared for potential fluctuations. Factors such as geopolitical events, macroeconomic indicators, and investor sentiment can influence Bitcoin's price movements. Technological advancements, the underlying technology behind Bitcoin blockchain continues to evolve. Advancements in scalability, security, and interoperability can enhance the utility and adoption of Bitcoin. Layer 2 solutions like the Lightning Network and advancements in smart contract capabilities can address some of the scalability issues faced by Bitcoin. Technological progress in 2023 could contribute to Bitcoin's growth by making it more efficient and user-friendly. Global economic conditions. The overall state of the global economy can impact Bitcoin's performance in times of economic uncertainty. Some investors turn to Bitcoin as a potential store of value or hedge against traditional assets. Geopolitical tensions, inflation concerns, and central bank policy are factors to watch in 2023 if economic conditions remain unstable or inflationary pressures persist. Bitcoin may attract more interest from investors seeking alternative investment options. Conclusion. While predicting the future growth of an asset, including Bitcoin, is challenging, several factors can influence its performance in 2023. Institutional adoption, regulatory developments, market volatility, technological advancements, and global economic conditions will all play a role in shaping Bitcoin's trajectory. As with any investment, it is critical to conduct thorough research, assess risk, and remain informed about the evolving landscape. The futures of Bitcoin in 2023 will likely be influenced by a combination of these factors, making it an existing space to watch. Certainly, here is some additional information for the article. Decentralized finance DeFi integrating decentralized finance or DeFi has gained significant traction in the crypto space. DeFi platforms enable users to access financial service without relying on traditional intermediaries. In 2023, the integration of Bitcoin with DeFi could open up new avenues for Bitcoin holders to earn passive income and participate in lending, borrowing, and other financial activities. The expansion of DeFi infrastructure could attract more users to Bitcoin and contribute to its growth. Central bank digital currencies CBDCs. Many central banks worldwide are exploring the idea of issuing their own digital currencies known as central bank digital currencies CBDCs. The introduction of CBDC could potentially impact Bitcoin's growth by creating competition or even regulatory challenges. It remains to be seen how the coexistence of CBDC and Bitcoin will unfold in 2023 and whether it will hinder or complement Bitcoin's growth. Environmental and concurrence. One of the persistent criticism of Bitcoin is its high energy consumption as environmental concerns growth. There may be increased pressure on Bitcoin miners to adopt greener mining practices or shift towards more energy efficient consensus mechanism. This shift could have implications for the cost of mining and the overall perspective of Bitcoin's environmental impact, potentially influencing its growth in 2023. Market sentiment and investor confidence. Investor sentiment and confidence play a critical role in the performance of any asset, including Bitcoin. Positive developments such as mainstream adoption, regulatory clarity, and technological advancements can boost investor confidence and fuel Bitcoin's growth. Conversely, negative news, security breaches, or significant market corrections can erode confidence and potentially hinder Bitcoin's growth in 2023. Continued education and awareness as Bitcoin evolves. It is essential to continue educating the public about its benefits, risks, and potential use cases. Increased awareness and understanding of Bitcoin's underlying technology and its potential applications can drive adoption and contribute to its growth. Efforts to demonstrate Bitcoin and promote financial literacy in 2023 could create a more favorable environment for its expansion. Remember, these additional points should be integrated into the article in a coherent and informative manner to provide a comprehensive analysis of the factors that may influence Bitcoin's growth in 2023. Title: Assessing the risk of buying Bitcoin in 2023. Introduction: Investing in Bitcoin, like any other asset, carries inherent risks. As we delve into 2023, potential investors may wonder about the risks associated with purchasing Bitcoin at this time. This article aims to evaluate the risk involved in buying Bitcoin in 2023 to help individuals make informed investment decisions. Price volatility. Bitcoin has a history of significant price fluctuations, which can be both an opportunity and a risk. While past performance is not indicative of future results, it is essential to consider that Bitcoin's price could experience sharp swings in 2023. Investors must have a high risk tolerance and be prepared for potential losses if they decide to enter the market. Regulatory Uncertainty, the regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies is still evolving. Governments worldwide are developing frameworks to govern digital assets, including Bitcoin. The lack of clear regulatories or sudden regulatory change can inter- introduce uncertainties and impact the value and stability of Bitcoin. Investors should stay updated on regulatory developments and understand the potential implications they may have on Bitcoin security risks. While Bitcoin itself is built on secure cryptographic principles, the ecosystem surrounding it is not immune to security risks. Cyberattacks, exchange hacks, and wallet vulnerability are some of the risks that can expose investors' Bitcoin holdings to health or implementing strong security practices such as using reputable exchanges and employing secure storage solutions is crucial to mitigate these risks. Market manipulation, cryptocurrency markets, including Bitcoin, can be susceptible to manipulations due to their relatively small market capitalization compared to traditional financial markets. Market manipulation through techniques like pump and dump schemes or insider trading can artificially inflate or deflate Bitcoin's price. Investors should exercise caution and conduct thorough research before making investment decisions to minimize the impact of potential market manipulations. Technological risks. While blockchain technology has demonstrated its potential, it is not without risks. Bitcoin's underlying technology, although robust, may face technical challenges or vulnerabilities. These could include network congestion, scalability limitations, or bugs in the code. Investors should assess the technological risks associated with Bitcoin and stay informed about ongoing developments to evaluate the potential impact on their investment. Liquidity challenges. While Bitcoin has gained widespread adoption, its liquidity can still vary, especially during periods of market stress or extreme price volatility. Liquidity refers to the ease with which an asset can be bought or sold without significantly impacting its price. Limited liquidity can present challenges when buying or selling significant amounts of Bitcoin, potentially leading to slippage or increased transaction costs. Conclusion: buying Bitcoin in 2023 carries various risks that investors must carefully consider: the price volatility, regulatory content list, security risks, market manipulation, technological challenges, and liquidity concerns should be taken into account. It is essential to conduct thorough research, diversify one's investment portfolio, and understand the risk associated with cryptocurrencies before deciding to invest in Bitcoin or any other digital asset. Individuals should assess their risk tolerance and financial goals before making an investment decisions in the cryptocurrency market. Title: what others are saying about Bitcoin's growth in 2023. Introduction: Bitcoin's growth potential in 2023 has generated a lot of speculation and discussion among experts, analysts, and enthusiasts. While it's important to note that opinions vary, this article aims to provide an overview of some viewpoints expressed by various individuals regarding the growth of Bitcoin in 2023. Financial analysts and institutions. Financial analysis from renowned institutions have expressed diverse views on Bitcoin's growth in 2023. Some analysts believe that Bitcoin will continue to experience upward momentum, citing factors such as increased institutional adoption, mainstream pressures. They argue that these factors could contribute to higher demand and a subsequent increase in Bitcoin's value. Crypto influencers and experts. Influencers and experts who closely follow the cryptocurrency market have shared their perspectives on Bitcoin's growth in 2023. While opinions vary, many believe that Bitcoin will continue to be a prominent player in the digital asset space. They highlight the potential for Bitcoin to serve as a store of value and hedge against traditional financial assets, particularly during times of economic uncertainty. Additionally, they emphasize the technological advancements and growing infrastructure that could support Bitcoin's long-term growth. Institutional investors. Institutional investors, including hedge funds and asset management firms, have also shared their opinions on Bitcoin's growth. Some institutions have expressed confidence in Bitcoin's future and have allocated a portion of their portfolios to the cryptocurrency. They believed that Bitcoin's limited supply, growing acceptance, and potential for diversification make it an attractive investment option. However, it's worth noting that institutional investors' opinions may vary, and some may remain cautious due to regulatory concerns or market volatility. Bitcoin community and enthusiasts within the Bitcoin community there is generally a positive outlook for Bitcoin's growth in 2023. Many enthusiasts believe that the ongoing development of the Bitcoin ecosystem, advancements in technology, and increasing adoption will contribute to its growth. We argue that Bitcoin's decentralized nature and its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems make it a compelling investment opportunity. Conclusion: options on Bitcoin's growth in 2023 vary among different groups and individuals. While some financial analysts, crypto influencers, institutional investors, and Bitcoin enthusiasts express optimism about its growth prospect, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and unpredictable. Investors should consider has various viewpoints, conduct their own research, and carefully assess the risk and potential rewards before making any investment decisions. Title examining diverse perspectives on Bitcoin's growth in 2023. Introduction: Bitcoin's growth potential in 2023 continues to be a subject of interest and speculation among experts and market participants. This article aims to delve deeper into the diverse perspectives surrounding Bitcoin's growth in the upcoming year, highlighting the options of different stakeholders, skeptics, and critics. Bitcoin has its fair share of skeptics and critics who questions its long-term growth prospects. We argued that Bitcoin's volatility, natural regulatory uncertainties, and scalability challenges could hinder its widespread adoption and hinder its growth potential. Some critics also highlight the environmental concerns associated with Bitcoin, meaning as a potential deterrent to its growth. Traditional financial institutions will traditional financial institutions have been cautioned about cryptocurrencies, somehow began to embrace Bitcoin. However, there are still different opinions within this sector. While some institutions are cautiously optimistic about Bitcoin's growth, others remain skeptical. Concerns over market volatility, lack of regulation, and the potential for illicit activities still influence the cautious stance of some traditional financial institutions. In conclusion, the options surrounding Bitcoin's growth in 2023 are diverse and reflect the complex nature of the cryptocurrency market. It is critical for investors to carefully consider the varied perspectives, conduct close research, and assess their own risk tolerance before making an investment decisions. The future growth of Bitcoin will depend on a combination of factors including regulatory developments, technological advancements, mainstream adoption, and market dynamics, all of which contribute to the ongoing evolution of the cryptocurrency landscape. Goodbye, everyone.